Hello, my name is Jonathan Borges. In this video, I want to talk about the ideal job for me. My ideal job for me would be to work in the office uh, from Monday to Friday and from 8 in the morning until 5 afternoon. Where I also have delicious refreshments. Share more with my family, my daughter, and my wife. In the afternoon, I will can earn more, maybe 2 million pesos. I had my own cargo card to go to work. Had more time to study, and this will be my ideal job. I will be wonderful. Bye. Thank you very much.